Welcome guys. Today's video on the top 5 best Android TV boxes 2023. How often do we face the situation of boredom because of the apparent lack of content from our regular TV sets? We have all felt that thing, right? Now there is a solution to quell this situation. Introducing you a list of the 5 best Android TV box. This review list will feature best of the best smart devices that are high caliber in nature and also affordable price range. This small set-top box runs on either Google's Android TV software or on a reskinned version of a standard Android. Android TV boxes are incredible streaming devices that are highly flexible. They let you stream content to your TV from the internet or NAS drive. You can even play back media stored locally on the device itself. If you need more information about Android TV box, follow the description link. Number 5. Xiaomi Mi Box. Product details. The most excellent option for the best Android TV box is Xiaomi Mi Box. It provides excellent performance, a wide selection of apps, and excellent value for the money. The excellent streaming device Xiaomi Mi Box is a must-have. It comes with a powerful processor and many connectors. This gadget can be used for a number of activities, such as streaming content, playing games, and watching TV. The gadget is a terrific option for people because it is also reasonably priced and has a variety of capabilities. Pros: good picture quality, support for Google App Store, attractive looking and feeling puck, vanilla, junk-free software interface, support for site loading via USB, support for Prime Video. Not all devices have this. Cons: Wi-Fi only, no wired LAN. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 4. MINIX NEO U1 Android TV Box. Product details. Apart from testing existing products that are of the highest quality, we also love to try, test and review new equipments. Perhaps that is the reason why we couldn't wait to lay our hands on this TV box. The MINIX NEO U1 comes equipped with a 64-bit quad-core 1.5 GHz processor. This device also comes with a 2 GB RAM and an Android 5.1.1 Lollipop OS that lets you download and install all kinds of apps and games from Google Play Store. It allows you to roam around the internet and enjoy streaming anything without buffering, provided there is a stable and good internet connection. It has the ability to play 4K Ultra HD videos and can output 60 frames per second. The video quality is exceptionally good, and we were able to watch 1080p videos without experiencing any problem whatsoever. In addition to its great features, this device is a quiet one. After some time, we were wondering whether we are using an Android box, as every one of its kind will inevitably make some sort of noise while using it, that may ruin the pleasant experience of having such a capable device. Pros: easy to operate. Comes with an Android 5.1.1 Lollipop OS. Exceptionally designed user interface. Automatically goes into power-saving mode after you don't use it for a certain time period. Cons: the Bluetooth connectivity is pretty bad. Doesn't stream YouTube and Amazon Prime. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 3. Roku Premiere. Product details. Users of the Roku Premiere streaming player can access a wide range of streaming media, such as movies, TV shows, and music. Additionally, Premiere has tools that let users control their streaming settings and content. There are several varieties of Premiere available, including the Roku Premiere Plus, which is an integrated 4K Ultra HD media player, and 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. Another excellent choice for the best Android TV box is Roku Premiere Plus. It provides excellent performance, a wide selection of apps, and excellent value for the money. Pros: spectacular price, compact form factor, solid streaming quality, Chromecast built-in. Cons: Premiere uses an IR remote, short HDMI cable, no volume adjuster on remote. Premiere Plus is a Walmart exclusive. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 2. Apple TV 4K product details. Another excellent choice for the finest Android TV box is the Apple TV 4. It provides excellent performance, a wide selection of apps, and excellent value for the money. For those who enjoy watching movies, Apple TV 4K is a cutting-edge set-top box that provides excellent service. The A10X Fusion processor's potent performance and 4K Ultra HD compatibility enable it to produce breathtaking images that are exclusive to this device. Mirroring your display to the TV is one of the Apple TV 4K's standout capabilities. This entails that you can use the Apple TV 4K as a remote control for the TV, while continuing to watch your favorite programs or movies on your big screen. On the Apple TV 4K, a variety of media, including movies, TV series, and music, are available in the App Store. The Siri remote may be used to find and watch content. A wide variety of games, including those made especially for the Apple TV 4K, are available in the App Store. The Apple TV 4K supports Dolby Atmos and has built-in speakers, making it a home theater system as well. Follow the description link to get more information. Number 1. NVIDIA SHIELD TV Box. Product details. Naturally, an Android TV box is designed with a rectangular or flat square shape. But when we unboxed this device, we were extremely surprised that it is traditionally designed, which is a truly attractive combo of lines crisscrossing and unique angles. The NVIDIA looks so much different than all other models of Android TV boxes we have seen so far. The NVIDIA SHIELD Android TV box has an amazing 4K HDR graphics and voice command function, which we are sure that you will get a lot of quality out from this device. This TV box is extremely easy to set up. All that you need to do is to plug it and set it up with a Google account, which will be easy to do if you have an Android phone. You need to have an active subscription to GeForce Now, and some other purchases should be completed, and then only you will be able to play all kinds of games on it. You must have a super strong internet connection to stream games without any interruption. Pros: compatible with all streaming service providers. Easy to set up. The 7.1 Nougat Android OS lets you download apps easier and faster. Amazing picture quality provided. Cons: doesn't have an IR receiver. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.